The client chose the wheels. I'm changing them. We wanted this build to feel aggressive. Look back here. Look at the design of this wheel. And look at my wheel. This is a little club car wheel, guys. No. We gotta do this. Hold on. Are you seeing this? Club car copied me. For sure they copied me because this wheel has been out way before this wheel did. That's my design. Copycats. At this point, it looked finished, but it wasn't. But this is what goes on in my daily head. And that's why I love what I do so much. That's why clients repeatedly come to me. I love the design. The guy was walking, picked that wheel when I was doing this car for him. It is a really nice wheel. But I didn't quite design it for this car. But he wanted that wheel. The problem that I have, look at this car, come here. Look how beautiful this car came out. I think that the right wheel for this car should be a full face wheel, which is another new wheel I have, which is the AV80. And I think it's gonna look a lot nicer. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna take my own chance. I'm gonna take off these wheels and I'm gonna put the AV80s. It just fits the car. And that's the wheel I'm gonna go with. So right before I just started this, I'm not kidding you, he asked me if I was gonna start from the front. Yes, William, I'm gonna start from the front. I always start from the front, William. But look at the difference, guys. Look at this. The new AV80s, look at that. It just looks like the wheel was literally made for this car. And that's what I call a masterpiece. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that like button and click that notification so you get notified every time we put up a new video. And again, thank you for watching.